It's learning time.
It's learning time.
Okay, so today we're gonna continue reviewing, and we're gonna for our alphabet we're gonna review sound recognition, and we're gonna continue to trace the numbers. A new sight word is going to be new. We're actually gonna do a music lesson on today as well. We're gonna do a little activity. What goes together? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Okay, so what makes the sound f? What alphabet letters is f?
F.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a bad word.
All right, n.
N. Now I gotta close my eyes. N.
Mm-hmm.
N. N. What's N? N. 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 I can't say N.
All right. A. M. D.
Hmm?
P.
P.
Mm-hmm.
I know I got this. No, it keep coming out. Okay. P.
Mm-hmm.
I got this. Period. X. Like X. X.
Mm-hmm.
X.
All right. Z.
Z.
Z. K. All right.
Let me say it. Ch.
E.
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 I said E.
All right. G.
G. G. G. G. G.
E.
E. E. E. E. E. E.
E.
What's E? E. 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 E.
I. Find I. Where's I?
This I.
All right. L.
La.
Qua.
Qua. Qua. Qua. Qua.
Qua.
Qua.
Mm-hmm.
Like F. Qua. 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 It was qua. 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 Qua.
Excuse me. You found it? You found qua? What letter make qua?
G.
Huh?
Q.
Mm-hmm. All right.
S.
W.
W.
Y.
Y.
J.
J.
J. J.
How you say J? J.
I.
A.
R.
W.
V.
Rose.
V.
F.
V.
V. I feel fine.
D.
D again.
D.
Oh, D.
G. K. K. I was doing K. Okay. Okay, now we're dealing with the S. What sound does S make? All right. So you're gonna you want to circle or color?
Circle.
All right. So you're gonna circle everything that makes that begins with S. Makes the sound.
Circle.
Okay. Now we're going to do beginning sound. So you're going to say the name of the picture.
Mm-hmm.
Then you're going to circle the picture that begins with the sound of the letter.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
K
All right.
is for a marker.
Which one?
It's a marker.
It's got chalk.
It's chalk and key in the back.
All right. Which one begins with K?
The key.
Mm-hmm.
Circle it.
Yeah.
I'll do it. I wouldn't do it.
All right.
L.
What sound does L make?
L.
All right. So you got lock,
Lock.
crayon,
Crayon.
pen.
Pen.
Which one begins with L? Which one says L? Okay. Circle it. All right.
Okay. M.
You got mop.
We got mop.
Rake.
And rake.
And hoe.
And hoe.
All right. So which one says M? All right. Circle it.
Like you mopped.
All right.
And
No.
you
Got newspaper, chalkboard, paper, chalkboard, and book. Which one begins with N? No. All right. Circle it.
Okay. O. I. We got banana, apple, orange.
All right. Which one begins with O? O sound.
Orange.
All right. All right. Then
Okay,
you got
P, pencil,
mm-hmm.
scissors,
Eraser.
eraser.
All right. Which one begins with P? P makes the P sound. You got, what is this?
A pencil,
What's this?
scissors,
Eraser.
eraser.
Which one begins with the P sound? Says P.
Eraser.
What is this?
P,
What sound does P make? What is this?
pencil.
What sound does pencil make?
What sound the pencil make?
Yeah, I mean, what does P pencil begin with? P. Pencil.
Pencil.
All right, what is this?
Scissors.
And what is this? Eraser.
Mm-hmm.
Which one begins with P? Makes the P sound.
This.
Okay. Okay, our sight word for today is...
New.
All right, read the sentence.
This is my new bike.
All right, now we're going to do the activities on the page. Okay, so now we're going to trace the numbers and write them. We're just going to do the numbers 1 through 10, and then we're going to stop. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now we're doing the activity called What Goes Together. So you got to draw the line from the item at the top that goes with the item at the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
So you got a fireman. What does the fireman go to?
Right here.
All right, draw the line. All right, you got a hockey stick.
Mm-hmm.
Where does it go to?
Right here.
Mm-hmm. You got a flower.
Mm-hmm.
Where does the flower go? Okay. And you got an ice cream truck. Got ice cream. Okay. Okay, we're going to read the book.
Mm-hmm.
Friday.
The
Scaredy
cat. The
Scariest
scariest day ever so far.
Okay. Okay, so today we're gonna start our piano lessons.
I got C.
And you're just gonna start learning the keys. You got C.
We got C. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E.
All right, and just keep repeating itself. All right. So, what's the letters again?
C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C.
Okay, and that's what we're gonna focus on learning. Okay.